have so much to be thankful for. Family, friends, community, food.
Personally, my family has multiple traditions that we celebrate as they remind us of what Thanksgiving truly means, to share our experiences with each other, and to learn about other cultures in the world around us.
We anticipate gratitude will one day arrive as a compliment to our efforts, the ultimate prize.
The turkey puffed out his chest. I'm farm famous. And one more thing, I'm the commander of a turkey army.
I'm thankful that I have the best job in the world. And I have the opportunity to work with all the people in this room each and every day.